Hello, thank you very much for watching another PSK video. We are playing another round of Avalon. Avalon with 5 players. Sino silang 5? Sina Bujin, si Sheka, si Itlog, si Ice Princess, and si Skiddo Levino. Wow, may interest rin si Skiddo. Sige. And yes, we are playing Avalon with 5 players. In this 5 players, meron tayong dalawang bad guys. Meron tayong Assassin and Morgana. Good guys, meron tayong Merlin, Percival, tapos may isang loyal servant of Arthur. Nagbigay na ako ng role sa kanila, guys. Let's start the game. Mute your mics. Go to sleep. Mabilis lang to. Mute your mics. Go to sleep. Percival, wake up. Percival, wake up. Alright, napapakilala ko sa yung dalawang tao. Isa dito good, isa dito bad. Isa dito si Merlin na alam lahat. Isa nagpapanggap na ng Merlin. Merlin and Morgana, pikit pa rin pero wave sa camera. Merlin and Morgana, pikit pa rin pero wave sa camera. Isa dyan, si Merlin, isa dyan, bad guy. Stop waving. Go back to sleep. Percival. Everyone wake up.
Everyone wake up.
Okay, we are going to start the game. Nag-randomize kami ng sequence nila. Bujin goes first. Bujin. 2 people lang for the first quest. Sino sila?
Dahil magandang kasama to pag mag-video okay, sasama ko si Ice Princess.
Nako! Nako!
Hindi para sabihin sa live yun.
Hindi. Bakit? Lahat naman tayo.
Binanggit ko lang naman, wala namang sample.
Sheka talaga. Si Sheka pag-samplein natin pagka nanalo tayo dito, Bujin.
Wow! Ayan o, maghahanda si Sheka pag nanalo kayo.
Well, matatalo kayo.
Let's find out.
Panalo kami ni Bujin.
Dahil dyan, matatalo kayo.
So, Bujin selects Ice Princess for the first quest. 3 votes to cancel. Taas kamay who's against this grouping. Going once. Going twice. Going 3 times. Dalawa lang. Alam ko magka-cancel kagad tayo.
Wow, that's cute. Check and Itlog are
nakakatawa yun ah. First quest, wala pang info. May dalawa kagad.
May info ako, may secret info ako.
Secret info. Alright, tingnan natin. Bujin and Ice Princess.
Ganun lang ako kanino.
Success or fail. Success or fail.
Meaning, hindi nag-vote si Skiddo?
Hindi siya nag-cancel. So, tuloy pa rin yung quest.
Okay. What did I do, Sheka? It's the first round.
Both quests. I got both votes.
I feel
attacked. Gusto yung papitiyalin.
Pareho silang nag-success. So, 1 point. Good, guys. Pareho silang nag-success. Good job. Sheka, you have to pick 3 people now. Pick 3 people for the quest.
Di ba mag-usap muna kami?
Sige, pwede kayo mag-usap habang nag-iisip si Sheka.
Ano yung info mo, Itlog?
Nakaganoon ako, di ba? Okay. O, di ba nakita nyo? Yung mga tumatawa dyan, mga bad guys.
Tapos bakit si Sheka, bakit si Sheka nag-vote against din?
Sheka, bakit?
Wala lang akong tiwala kay Bujin.
Ano ba yan? Grabe naman.
Oh no!
Okay.
Sige, yun lang. Gusto ko lang malaman.
Nagaganyan ako nung night time, di ba? Ganyan, di ba? Kita ko lahat.
Ako, myself, of course, myself. And then, baby Itlog. And,
ay, grabe.
Mas mahal niya si
para Ninong.
Ice Princess.
Ninong.
Baby Love, Ice Princess.
So, sino mas matimbang? 3 o 4?
Oy, grabe. Sasagutin mo ba yung tanong yan?
Or are you putting her in the hot seat?
Avalon tong laro, di ba?
Grabe yan.
Sagutin mo na.
Na-hot seat ako dito, boy.
Sagutin mo na.
Sagutin mo raw, sagutin mo raw, sabi nito.
Hindi, sige,
napapili ka na ngayon.
Huwag natin puwersahin si Baby Love kung ayaw niya sagutin. O sige na, magpasa na tayo ng quest natin.
Wait, we haven't voted yet.
Wait lang. So,
excited yung bad guy.
Sheka, Itlog,
and
Ice Princess for the second quest. 3 votes to cancel. Taas kamay, who's against that grouping? Going once.
Mahang talaga ako.
Going twice. Going 3 times.
Too
Wala.
much variables.
Dalawa lang
Too
ang
much.
nag-cancel.
Too many
Okay, tayo.
people
Tingin ko
entering.
Buji.
Too many people.
Success
New
or fail?
people. I think it's gonna fail, but I don't know. Hopefully it will pass because I'm a grub.
Nag-fail yan si Sheka yan.
Okay, I got 3 votes. Sa kanilang 3, may isang nag-fail.
Because I'm good.
May
That's
isang
why.
Sabi, ako dito, James team entered.
Oo nga pala, co-host ka pa pala dito. Expenses na tanggalin yung pagka-co-host mo. Si Shaper naghihintay, nakita niya expenses. But anyway, yes, sa kanilang 3, may isa pong nag-fail. Itlog, your decision, 2 lang ang kailangan mo for the 3rd quest.
It means that.
Oh, cheat code na itlog.
Baby ako.
One of them is bad, obviously, because like I'm good. It means that.
Baby
One
ako.
of them is bad.
Pinili kita. Lagi
So
kita
by the
pipili.
process of
Pinili ko ako.
elimination,
Ilang tao ulit?
2 lang for the
Dalawa
3rd
lang
quest.
kayo.
Tayong dalawa.
Wow, kayong dalawa lang.
Grabe sound bites dito.
Sige, pagbigyan.
Okay, Itlog selects.
Sagutin mo
Sheka.
muna yung tanong.
Oh, sagutin mo daw si
Sino mas
Itlog.
matimbang?
Hindi para puwersahin talaga si Baby Love dito. Hindi talaga.
Okay, tingnan natin kasi after nitong, regardless kung ano mangyari dito, si Ice Princess pipili mo. Tingnan natin ang pipili niya. Pero right now, Itlog selects Sheka. 3 votes to cancel. Taas kamay who's
Game
against it.
lang. Char.
Going once. Going twice. Go. Wala. Going 3. Wala. Okay. Nag-send na si Sheka. Itlog, send ka rin. Success or fail.
Oh, so for the first and third question, there are only 2 people, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. And I got
So-
both votes now. 2 points na ang good guys. Good
Good.
job. Pareho
Wow,
silang
ang galing naman
nag-submit.
naka-plastic sa balon pala.
Eh di huli na yung bad guy.
That could be true, but the bad guy is trying to hide their alliances on a 2-player quest because they would immediately reveal who they are if they will fail that.
Sige,
Because
papiliin muna natin si Ice Princess
Yeah.
bago tayo
Yes,
mag-
kiddo. That's what you do.
Ilan ka
Alright.
daw?
Well, Ice Princess.
No! Ay,
Tatlo
Sheka,
ang
don't
pipiliin
put
mo.
your shading. Girl, no.
Wait,
No, I'm not taking
bakit
that.
paano huli na yung bad guy? Ano yung...
Sige, 3 people. Basically, Ice Princess yan. Isang fail lang point ng bad guys. Kailangan yung
Kami ni
puro
Eugene.
perfect. Isa pa.
Tsaka si Sheka.
Sheka. Okay.
So you're
Ay, nako,
you are
cool na to.
excluding Itlog out of the
For
equation.
sure.
Okay.
Hmm.
Well, sige. Pwede naman kayo
Against.
pwede naman kayo mag-vote against it. May nag-vote kagad. Wait lang. Ang pinili
Why?
for
Wait,
this...
why?
Sige, sige. Pwede kayo mag-sack.
Explain ka
Ay,
muna,
mag-vote ka,
Raymond. Ay, explain ka muna itlog bakit.
Good guy ako eh. Di ba kanina si Ice Princess, si
I'm good.
Sheka, saka
Sige,
si...
sige.
O, di sige.
Saka ako.
Hindi Ice Princess
Diba?
Eugene Itlog.
Ako, I cancel.
I'm good.
That's
So I'm gonna. That's bad.
I have...
Di ba kanina ako si Ice Princess saka si Sheka nag-fail, isa nag-fail. Alam
Isa
kong good
nag-fail.
ako. So yung dalawa sa kanila, isa sa kanila bad. So ba't pa sila magsasama sa next quest?
O, sige. O,
Yeah.
sige. Edi Ice Princess Eugene Itlog.
Bakit babaguhin mo yung ano mo base sa ano?
Cancel.
Princess. Okay. So, sige. Yun yung last
Kasi
selection ni Ice Princess.
naniniwala ako na hindi kami dapat magsama ni Sheka sa game na to. Sa game lang na to.
Pero kanina, nung bago ko sinabi yung kung bakit ako nag-veto, okay lang na magsama kayo kanina.
Okay. Sige. Let's put it to the test.
Good.
3 votes to cancel kung ayaw niya.
I mean, we
Ang
could
pinili
trash.
ni
I
Ice
mean, we could
Princess
trash this
is
to get more information.
herself, Bujin, and Itlog. Taas kamay. Who's against that grouping? Going once.
Skiddo.
Twice.
So magkakampi si Sheka.
No, no, no,
tsaka si-
no.
That's 3. That's 4. It's cancelled. Skiddo. Pick 3, Skiddo.
Oh God, I want to success this. But if we are going to trash this, then we have more information for the 5th one. Who failed the last one? So it's Ice Princess,
Who
Sheka,
failed?
and Itlog, right?
I can't. Ayan. Sila yung nasa last. Last.
Yeah.
Yung second quest. Yeah, second quest. Sheka, Itlog, and Ice Princess.
If I'm gonna pick myself, Wait. If I'm gonna pick myself, Bujin, and surely one of that will fail because there's one bad guy out there. They need to extract more information, though. I'm gonna choose myself.
Okay. Shit.
I think Ice Princess is bad, so I'm gonna choose Sheka and Itlog because I think because Bujin, because like one of them is bad. So for the process of elimination, Bujin is bad because we were left out. Both of us were left out, and there's one who failed within that group. So I'm gonna choose myself, Sheka and Itlog.
Okay, let's try that. So Skiddo selects numerically Sheka, Itlog, and Skiddo. 3 votes to cancel. Sino against that pairing? Taas kamay. Going once.
Good?
Twice.
Good yan?
Going
Tingnan natin.
3 times. Wala. Sige, nag-quick bio break lang si Ice Princess. Sheka, Itlog, and Skiddo. Send in your vote. Success or fail. I got 1 vote. I got 2 votes. I got 3 votes. Okay. Sa kanilang tatlo, nakuha ko na. Sa kanilang tatlo, may
That's
isang
bullshit.
nag-fail.
Wow.
May
Wala na.
isang
Sorry, Itlog.
nag-fail.
Wait, if Ice Princess could.
I told you. Talaga si
Kilala na.
It's Bujin or Sheko. It's
It
Bujin or
is
Itlog.
down the wire.
But Ice
So-
Princess.
Kasi kanina kami ni Itlog, hindi kami nag-fail. 2 lang kami.
But they are.
Actually-
But if you fail that Sheka, you would know that the other person is bad. They're trying. The bad guys are trying to hide themselves in a 3-player quest so that the good guys will have a more difficult time to deduce who's good. Sheka, because
So, sino yung bad guy, Skiddo?
Hindi talo na kami.
Hindi pa tayo
no,
diba?
we can still win then if we got the perfect one.
Alright, so FYI, just for the recording, it's Budin's turn now. Last quest na to, he has to get the 3 good guys. Isang fail lang, panalo yung bad guys.
Sino
When
yung
you are
bad
ready.
guy, Skiddo?
Jim, pick me.
I tried to pull out Ice Princess out of the equation because she could be bad because she's sus. But when I added Sheka and Itlog, it still failed. So I am thinking Sheka or Itlog, one of them is bad.
No.
Because
Bujin.
Sheka,
Ay! Ang hirap naman mag-explain.
Actually, medyo... Sige nga,
I pulled
explain ka, Sheka.
Sige,
I pulled out
Sheka.
Ice Princess from
Oh,
that because I
mag-explain daw
know
si
that
Sheka.
it could surely fail. But
Sige,
I'm surprised
Sheka.
that it failed.
Share your insights.
Pero, kasi kanina, 2 kami ni Itlog. Parehas nag-success. So kung sinasabi nung turn na ni Skiddo, 3 kami, Skiddo, si Itlog, tapos ako, may nag-fail. So, feeling ko si Skiddo. Pero, sabi niya, pwedeng yung bad guy, parang,
Play success so that they could hide their alliances on a 2-player
Oo,
quest.
yeah. Parang pwede si Itlog. Pero kasi alam ko sa sarili ko, good,
But are you
good guy.
sure? Yeah, you know yourself that you're good, but you are not sure, but that the person you chosen on that specific quest, that 2 players are in play, surely is good because bad guys can play successful. Sheka.
Well, it's Bujin's choice. Ultimately, Bujin's choice. So,
Actually, before nung 4th quest, yun ang pipiliin ko si Sheka at si Itlog. Dahil, because of the 3rd quest.
3rd quest sila
Tapos
pareho.
yung 2nd nga, since nag-fail si Ice Princess and parang popular vote na bad guy si Ice Princess. So, ayun.
I'm surprised that failed.
Sila pa rin, Sheka and Itlog. And
Okay.
myself.
Bujin selects himself, Sheka, and Itlog. 3 votes.
Yeah,
Kailangan
that's
perfect.
gonna
Isang
fail.
fail lang, panalo yung bad guys.
Gonna fail.
3 votes to cancel. Who is against that grouping? Taas kamay. Going once.
It's going to fail.
Going twice.
Sheka, you need to raise your hand. It's going to fail, Sheka.
Going.
Bakit si Sheka yung pinaparaise mo ng hand?
times.
I
Okay.
trust Itlog.
It's a slow count. Wala. Si Skiddo lang yung nag-cancel. please send in your votes. Itlog, Bujin, and si Sheka nagsend na. Isa na lang hinihintay ko. I got all 3 votes. Okay. Guys, sa kanila, wait. Sorry, suspense pa ng konti there. Sa kanilang tatlo, I got 1, 2, 3 successful votes. Lahat sila successful. Okay, so...
Papating ko na dapat yung Sheka eh.
So, good guys, si Bujin, Sheka, and Itlog. I could reveal officially na Ice Princess and Skiddo are bad. It was randomized kasi nag-practice game kami kanina, sila din yung bad. For this game, however, si Skiddo ang assassin. So when you're ready, Skiddo, send me a private message. You guys can talk if you like, but a private message.
Ice Princess. Girl.
Yung kakampi mo.
My partner is
busy.
Ang busy. Bibilaw.
Grabe.
Bibilaw.
Big time na si Ice Princess eh. Sa ginagawa ng ibang bagay yata. Anyway.
Hindi ko alam kung sino yung bad.
Wait, I think Itlog could not be Merlin twice in a row. I'm bagging on Bujin or Sheka with Merlin. But I feel Sheka. But I think it's Sheka.
Work your magic.
Ano ba yan? Ba't yun nag-open?
But Bujin
Parang
perfected that without even asking that much. But I know that Bujin has a role. He could not be loyal servant of Arthur. He's not
Sorry,
like...
wala akong contribution.
Baka this time ako naman si Percival. Kasi kayong bad guys nagkapalit. Baka nagkapalit din kami ni Percival.
Itlog would not act like that if he knows something.
Ako yung Percival nung practice game.
Ay ka ba?
Well, I'm gonna go with my gut. I could be wrong, but like, I hope I could have the same accuracy as Ice Princess last game. Oh God, I might be wrong though.
Kung ano man yan, enter mo na yan. Kung ano man yan. Oy, grabe si Ice Princess, oh. 2 live stream sabay ginagawa niya. Grabe.
Ay, demanda nga yan ng BS Games Philippines. Content namin yan. Excuse me.
Okay, wait lang guys. So, babasahin ko na lang to specifically. Magandang basahin yung sinabi niya. Nag-send na ng message si Assassin Skiddo. Nilagay niya, wag mo na mag-react, I assassinate Sheka. Bye, baby love, lols. So, Skiddo assassinate Sheka. Panalo po ang good guys. Kasi, Bujin was Merlin. Sheka was Percival. Good job.
I was lagging between the top.
Good job. Ang galing. It was close. Tama. Bujin or Sheka. Kala ko, si Sheka kasi nung first quest, Bujin kagad pinili si Ice Princess. Alam ni Sheka na si Bujin tsaka si Ice Princess isa doon bad guy eh. So siya nag-vote against it eh. Ewan ko lang ba't nag-vote against si Itlog. Ewan ko yung totoo yung ganyan niya kanina. Pero sa first quest...
I thought Sheka was hinting that one of them is bad and then Bujin caught on. It was the other way around.
Baliktad.
I thought Sheka was like hinting na
siya yung Merlin
are bad.
Hinayaan ko eh.
Bujin like
hindi ko alam kung sino bad sa nila ni Bujin or ni Skiddo. Pero hinayaan ko na kasi sure akong sa isang turn ni Merlin.
Sa bago nga na kasi mag-isip sila.
Sa isang turn magsa-success. Pinabayaan ko na lang.
Galing. Sabi ko sa inyo, magaling si Sheka dito eh. Well, good job, Sheka. And Bujin, Sheka, and Itlog kayo pipili na mag-open later. Let me wrap this game up kasi medyo kanina pa naging si Shaper. So,
Shaper, I'm so sorry.
Guys, that was Avalon. The good guys won. Nanalo sila ng 3 quests at hindi na-assassinate si Merlin. Good job, Merlin, Bujin, Percival, Sheka, and loyal servant of Arthur. So guys, if you like this video, click on the like button, hit subscribe, hindi pa kayo subscriber, and the notification button. Updating kayo every time I upload these types of games. And if you like to join our games, we play almost every weekend. Check nyo lang yung Facebook page namin, nalagyan namin yung link. Click nyo lang yun. If we're not in the middle of a game, papasokin namin kayo. But until then, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.